Adwumadie bi nto so ewo MPP Collation Center. Now, as at 8 o'clock or 8:34, now MPP Collation Center, this is what they have done. 8:37. The Omuri in May 2023 Kumau constituency by-election results table as of 8:37. 75 of 75 polling stations collated. MPP internal collation. NS Yawanim 70.91. 15,264. Kwesia Mankwa 17.29. 3,700 and then 23. Kwakudia 11.51. 2,478. Kwakudia 0.29. 62. Shadia Dasi Safa me call easy results no. You see, NDC should learn something. Say NDC 4 team and opaya. Me say election 2024. IT. Technology. Data. As at 8:37. Now MPP phone the mobile resource. 2016, the same incident happened. 2020, NDC failed their people without doing proper collation. Me say enye yempene o. Enye de nani ade o. Woni betima ye de ye be wiawo. Woni betima ye de enso hwefiri mu ma. Election no aye a free a trutra semene e ma boso ko adwenim. De na dwene wode ato wode toto ne ma e wa abefo ne ma mu no. Wono be ko elections obe bitiu. Why he be to amanso so nya no ne be kan. Hwe results no dey na asesa. Momo ame. Dey figures no dey na asesa 8:37 na MPP for the way abeto isi dey ba ansesa entisa ukọ asin off na MPP dey beto na isi dey beto a ukoye dey say obi awia obi alpha ballot box obi away they will beat you all the time. Tina me can say the sophistication of abattoir this time around, you know, it has moved from many a thing. It has moved away from press conference. It has moved away from a nearma. You see, where the any one thing, young play boot for boot, how die be die, sir. Ube de nina. Mutuwa wiye na mo sende kwa adabo hu se no koyeje. She election ye call Supreme Court. Rojo metonunu mo ne pesa white mo. As at the time MPP John Boadu declare results a omo war. And he see dear Baku say am from 2016 the same thing.
SOMPA FM.
What is it telling us? The election and this collation, the election abano ayekotono, it is as good as this collection. Just I want to show you now the one dream you say, yeah, just as elect and near my courses is here. One we be am what I say, an economy, Ghana economy to a baby economy, a bet 10-20%. Mania maybe Kumau and Aquacudi Ekikamuno. Yes, it is Kakotuaba. That's why he's a legend. Nobody just can also say Kumau and in Namasantia Chimpotem Honoma. Inspector or you the board your becum. Do uncle just can't go to Obeto. Besi the NPP for quality any easy Baku say I'm from NDC for their way. Have you seen any NDC collation? No. 2020 the same thing. And I said you came to confirm during their elections. Say, and near man no more de Cocrano, then you let's say you get now CEO at that time. Don't what do you any deal now way? So one way the show Bonsado, a buyer, a corrupt, I say, sa man show you 2024. You paid the day, Ghana. Etina me send this caution. Say, Mama Nimrina Munyamo, IT year. Oma penny John Mama so tema no pay ya. Wa mo ani anko collation center mo be create ni IT ya. Ye be elections no, you go back to Supreme Court. I'm not a prophet of doom. E was some mama ni da. Na mo tutu mo niam ye. Ye mpede de o, me enya MPP. Say o say MPP di kan na obi di kan o. But Ghana for ye nya shekra na ye pay asumdwe. And 2024 election is very crucial. It is so crucial that for the first time, a former president is coming back. For the first time, the sitting president is going. The vice president wants to come. A minister wants to come. NPP is presenting a new candidate. And no new candidate has hit the ballot paper notice of poll and has won one time. No new candidate. They want to change the narrative. And your first person I got top ballot paper so why win it. Former president, because why former president and 2012 for me win here because incumbency was in his favor. Now sympathy vote was on his favor coming from the late Mills. Ogojina 2016 Olusui, 2020 Olusui. The third time Obi akọ elections wa Ghana had third time bia win it. Akufo-Addo called third, Kufuor-Nkrumah called 2. Akufo-Addo called 3. Atamils called 3. I'm talking about precedents. I'm talking about history. But your mama called the third time. He's so confident so by winning. NPP, no candidate our first time on the ballot paper our winning. Akufo-Addo obi anim so awini awie amfa. Atamils betwa or compress and winning. We have a crucial election. MPP wants to make history. NDC wants to make history. Yempede de bia. We are not ready for any Supreme Court again.
SOMPA FM.
I never can trust we want to satisfy our people. Nisa Niemano. Na Mrantie Tama. Mrantie no Sumunyai. NDC should sit up when it comes to collation of results. My way, Dodo.